Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauriram Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Inji Poondu Sambar. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 1 big onion finely chopped, 2 big tomatoes, handful of curry leaves, 4 green chilli. Let's crush a small piece of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic pieces. Keep a pan, add little oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. For tempering, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon fenugreek powder. Next we are going to add ginger and garlic. Fry it for 2 minutes. After that add green chilli, curry leaves and fry it for another 2 minutes. Now let's add asafoetida powder and turmeric powder. Along with that, add onions and saute it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's add salt, chili powder and coriander powder, each 1 teaspoon. Now add the tomatoes and saute it for another 5 minutes. After that, add pumpkin. I have added this vegetable. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, you can make this sambar without any vegetable. After a few minutes of sauteing, let's add 2 to 3 cups of water and close it with the lid for 10 minutes. When the pumpkin is cooked, let's add tamarind water 1 cup. And when the tamarind water starts boiling, let's add tur dal 2 to 3 cups. I have already cooked the tur dal. Mix the dal along with other ingredients and check the seasoning whether it's correct. Now our Inji Poondu Sambar is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.